Watch this clip as I work Joopy on whoa. Whoa is a standing position. It means stand and don't move. That's all it means. The steps are a visual cue to help the dog learn. It's very beneficial. Joopy's a good boy. And he's going to be doing hold. Sit. Here. Joopy, whoa. No, whoa. Heel. Whoa. No, whoa. Heel. Come on, buddy. Whoa. No, whoa. Cute dog. Nice whoa, dude. That's good. Heel. Joopy, sit. Awesome. Good job. Let's do this one more time. Come on, heel. You're good at this, dude. Come here. Oh, we'll do that in a sec. Whoa. No, whoa. Heel. Whoa. No, whoa. Heel. Whoa. No, whoa. Heel. Joop here. Sit. Heel. Come on, heel. Whoa. Perfect. Check out this portion of the clip. The dogs start doing a howl, like a locator howl. And I think what they're saying is Mila is in heat. Caine has left the building. You know what I'm saying? That's fucking perfect, dude. Get the camera on you. Ooh, hang on, here. We got some howling going. Whoa. Training session has to stop. Hear that locator howl? I gotta go tell him to shut up. Joopy, here, heel. Joopy, whoa. No, whoa. You better knock it off. It's Grandmaster Joopy. Here, heel. Come on. Heel. Whoa. It's pretty good, dude. Heel. Here. Whoa. You're a very good dog, dude. Heel. Joopy, sit. Good boy. Drop. You did awesome. Thank you. That is a good boy. Jupiter. Look at how cute he is. I just squeeze him. Look at his little tail, his little dust mop tail. He needs a bath. We're gonna have to give him a bath. That is one thing about Cocker Spaniels. There's a lot of maintenance. They're sort of like a dust mop, you know? He's a dust mop. Look at him. That's a good boy, Joopy. Joopy, here. I have a big announcement about Mila. She became a woman today. That's correct. She's in her first heat. All the boys are volunteering to help out. Run down to the pharmacy and get her some maxi pads if needed. Joopy was saying that he would be willing to massage her feet. You know, it's all the boy dogs. They're all, you know, I think that they have ulterior motives. They're not getting near her. That's just a fact. Ike is looking at her. Like, Ike is trying to sit next to her. Like, if she's in a crate, Ike will go over and sit next to the crate right next to her. If Joopy's in a crate, when he comes out, the first thing he wants to do is go sniff Mila. The boys are a little excited. They were howling earlier. I went outside, and I swear, they were howling, and I'm pretty sure I know what they were saying. They were saying, Caine's left the building. Let's take Mila out for dinner. You know, wine and dine her. I know what's going on. They're not going to do it. This is Micah's wife. This is Micah's wife. And when Mila gets to Taiwan, her and Micah are going to get married. So, Joopy's got ideas. Tonka has ideas. All the boy dogs are looking at Mila and they have ideas. But, you know, she needs to stay a virgin for Micah. It's a fact. Look at Mila. You're a good girl. Look at this dog. This is the Duncan Munchkin. She's not such a munchkin anymore. She's a full-on woman. You know? God. Can you imagine the puppies of her and Micah? Or her and Joopy? It wouldn't matter. It'd be pretty good looking. And friendly. You're a good girl.